Grizzly bears are one of North America's most iconic wildlife, but populations have declined massively in the past decades. Most grizzly bear mortalities occur from human-bear conflict, mainly poaching and self-defense kills. And what brings bears and people together? Roads. A recent study found that 86% of grizzly bear deaths occurred within 500 meters of a road. This is especially concerning because we are constantly building new roads for industry and recreation, encroaching deeper into the grizzly bear habitat. Unfortunately, getting rid of roads isn't realistic. However, if we can increase our understanding of how bears respond to roads, we can take action to lower the risk. Studies to date looking at the effect of roads on grizzly bears have simply used distance to the road, with inconclusive results. In my research, I will dive deeper into grizzly bears' behavior and risk perception. So, I would have loved to do a survey of grizzlies asking how they felt about roads, but that wasn't an option. Instead, I looked at what information is available to them. I asked, can a bear respond to something if it doesn't know it's there? A bear could be 100 meters from a road, but if there's dense forest in between, oblivious that it exists. To address this, I used detailed landscape data to build viewshed maps of my study area, where each location is rated in terms of its visibility to a road. I combined this with location data from GPS collars on grizzly bears, displayed in the blue dots, to assess movement patterns. In my preliminary analysis, I found that visibility was included in the best model to explain grizzly bear movement, and that bears preferred areas invisible to the road, indicating risk avoidance. Now, learning how grizzly bears think and perceive risk is exciting. However, this isn't just an interesting animal psychology experiment. My results have practical management implications to decrease unnatural and unnecessary grizzly bear deaths. For example, since forest cover is a major determinant of landscape visibility, I can explore how different harvesting practices will affect grizzly behavior and risk. I can also suggest optimal configurations for tree planting, buffer placement, and road placement for grizzly bears. In conclusion, my research focuses on the why of animal behavior. If we can understand the why as well as the what, we can better plan for shared landscapes and coexistence well into the future. Thank you.